Hello, this is Mark Can from Growth Warriors, and I'm going to take you on a quick email teardown for this company here, which do AI for voice, basically. So they do for B2B companies. They basically create voice calls which are indistinguishable from humans. So to help with outbound, probably some inbound as well. Right, first off, the subject line. So, quick question. It's kind of been overused quite a few times. And it could be quite generic. Now, what we can do is we can actually include personalization within the subject line if we want to. So, it could be the company, it could be the name of the person. But even if we don't do that, it could be something along the lines of relevant person for, referral to question mark. And then it could be or call center contact, something like that, question mark, where it's much more relevant to what the email is about, rather than them having to guess and then think, oh, that's like another spam email with quick question. Hi, first name with a there as a backup, that's fine. I'm with company and we help 4x your revenue and boost your conversion rate by as far as 50%. By streamlining the voice call experience using human indistinguishable voice AI. So this is the important part. Always read out the email in your head before you finish it. So with this part, what we've got is we've got what I call a lot of filler words. So we don't actually need the by streamlining your voice, because that's kind of the byproduct of the benefit. So I would say I'm with company and we help XYZ companies, so they've gone on to this later, like debt collection agencies and international banks, 4x their revenue and boost their conversion rate on the phone. So make it specific. It's about on the phone by automating voice call experience through voice AI or something like that. So, and then we've got here is we work with many debt collection agencies and international banks around the world. So here, it's clear that they're trying to use one email for two different ideal customer profiles. So what they could do is actually we work with debt collection agencies such as, and then include the client examples, because that way it makes it much more credible. Most people who work in the same space have heard of their competitors. Same with the banks, do a separate email for that. Moving on from that, we have here it starts off as facts. Very blunt and kind of a bit confusing. If I was reading that, I'd be like, "What? Why are they facts? Is this facts about who you've worked with, the software, that kind of thing?" And then these are all features. So the no coding, easy to create any bot, indistinguishable from humans. They're all features. They're not really benefits. So we don't, for the first email, we don't need to include everything. And I see this quite a lot in first cold emails. Is they try to include almost like like a printed letter or something, where they're trying to include everything in there in case they don't include enough detail to get a response. But that rarely works. So the first email should really share some value. So say this is what we've done. Share some social proof as well, like in terms of who they've worked with, what results they've achieved, that kind of thing, and keep it short and sweet. And then try and include some of the benefits of those facts in the second and third email. And then moving on from here, we've got, I'd love to get you integrated for you to enjoy all the benefits of an enhanced AI-powered voice engine. Well, the thing is, they're not going to get integrated by getting one cold email. They're probably going to have to go on a call. They might have to involve other people within the organization on a second call. So really, this is not suitable for a first email. So that's fine. Would you be open? So would you be open to a quick chat this Wednesday or Thursday? So I see this quite a lot on cold emails, is that the people who are writing them have been trained in sales, and they tend to think that going for the close is the thing you need to do straight off the bat. Well, that's not actually the case with cold email. There's been tests that have shown that when you ask for just kind of permission to either send some more information, would they be curious to learn more, that actually gets a much better response rate. So if we share value rather than trying to ask for somebody's time in the first email, then even if they don't respond to the first email, they will receive the other emails in the sequence, and they'll start to get to know us a bit more. And then you can ask for the call, or they'll respond back and request a call if they like the sound of what it is you do. So I would change this to something along the lines of, would you be open to learning more? If so, hit reply and I'll send you a quick video, because you really don't want to include any links or attachments in the first email. And therefore, what you want to do is just get some opt-in, or getting them some compliance of them, getting them to reply, and then ask for that information. Look forward to hearing from you. Nice little bit there, and then just to sign off. So yeah, I think that's how they could improve this email, and that is my cold email teardown. If you want us to do a cold email teardown, send us an email to review your email to support@growthwarriors.co.